Hello, this is for grade worksheet and we'll go over ones that are highlighted. Okay, so for number one, we're gonna write in long division. Anytime we divide, so this become 2884 divided by 14. 14 can go into 28 two times, so this will become 28, and you subtract, so this will become 0. And once you subtract, then this 8 brings down, but 14 cannot go into 8, so this will become 0. And once 4 comes down, then 14 can go into 84 6 times. So this will become 206. Okay, number 2. Again, write it in long division. 12. 12 can go into 36 3 times. So this will become 36. You subtract, so this will become 0, and 9 comes down. But 12 cannot go into 9, same as number 1. So this will become 0, and 1 6 comes down. 12 can go into 96 8 times. So this will become 308. Number 4. 3484 divided by 13. 13 can go into 34 two times, so this will become 26. You subtract, then this will become 88. 13 can go into 88 6 times, so this will become 78. Again, you subtract, so this will become 10, and this 4 all the way down brings down. So 13 can go into 104 about 8 times, so 104. So number 5 is going to be 268. Number 10. 8056 divided by 19. So 19 can go into 84 times. So this will become 76. If you subtract, then this will become 45. And 19 can go into 45 two times. So this is 38 and 76. Now, 19 can go into 76 4 times, because as you can see, 19 times 4 is 76. So this will be 424. Number 11. 8908 divided by 17. 17 can go into 89 5 times. So this will become 85. You subtract, then this will become 40. 17 can go into 42 times. This is 34. So 6 and 8. And 17 can go into 68 4 times. So number 11 is going to be 524. Find the sum. So when you're adding, it is pretty much up to you, but you can write it in about the same format as division. So in this case, let's try to just add the first two terms. So you can approach this in many ways, and you can just figure out that this is 275. But if you can't do it, then what you can do is 250, and then just bring your second term right underneath the first term and then add it. 0, and then 0 plus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7, and 2 plus, and always the blank space is 0, so this will become 275. And now what you have to do is to add the last term. So same as always, write it right underneath. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 1 goes up. 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12. So 1 goes up again. And 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. So number 2 will become 324. Okay. Number 3. So what you can do is add the first two terms, but you know that if you add 54 and 56, this will become some number and 0. And then this will make your addition much easier. And how I know this will end in 0 is because if you add 4 and 6, this is 10. So 10 has ending number of 0. And then this number also has an ending number of 0. So it will make your addition much easier. So let's try to add 54 and 56 together. 54 and 56. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Now 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1. This up is 11. So 110 plus 270, where you can just ignore 0, because when you add, it's going to be 0 plus 0. So 21 plus 11 is 38. And remember the 0, so this will become 380. Okay, number 5. So if you have a number like this, 96, 97, 98, that is close to 100, what you can do is add 230 plus 100, which is 330, and then subtract 4, because 96 is 100 minus 4. So 330 minus 4 is 326, and then you're only left with 78. So 326 plus 78, 6 plus 8 is 14, 1 plus 2 plus 7 is 10, so this will become 404. Okay. This is 3-digit, and then this is 2-digit with small terms. So I just like to add the small terms together. So 7 plus 7 is 14, and 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. So 54 plus 146. 146. And remember, right underneath the first term. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is 10. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this will become exactly 200. Okay, number 10. Let's try to add 42 and 72 together as the same region as number 8. 52 plus 72 is 4 and 124, plus 460 is 4, 8, and 5. So this will become 584. Okay, number 12. As you can see in the earlier problem, 8 plus 2 is 10, which means that this ends in 0. And then although this is not 0, it is much easier to add some number that ends with 0 in any number, because in that case you can ignore 0. And then here's what I meant. So 70 plus 70, which 78 can be written as 70 plus 8, and 72 can be written as 70 plus 2. Then I already showed you that 8 plus 2 is 10. And you know that 70 plus 70 is 140. So you're just going to add these two, then this will become 150. So 150 plus 584 is much easier. Not easier, but easier looking than just adding these two. So let's try to break this down again like this. 150 is 100 plus 50. So let's try to add 584 plus 100, which is 684, and plus 50, which is 734.